Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from DPClubs. They were kind enough to send me these to share with you all. So I'm going to start with this one. So this is a 30 by 40 and if I can get in it, this is a darker one, as you may be able to tell. But this is more of a, well, it's an abstract tea, but it's a dragon. It is, I don't know whether it, no, I wouldn't class it as abstract, but it is a dark one. A dark dragon with a fiery edge. There's the image at the top. Not sure if you can see that clearly enough, but you can click on the link in the description below to see it clearer. But this has 22 different colours. It is a round and the actual diamond painting area is 23 by 33. So you do lose quite a bit off the edges on this one, but you do get a toolkit, boat wax pen. And then this one is round diamonds. They come in this packet. We don't have any 310, but we do have 939, 823 and 3750 are probably what will make up your dark ones. But we also have some gorgeous bright ones that will really pop. Looks like there's a little bit of static in the bags of some of these, but not all of them. But there's some of your darker blues. Then you've got your pops of colour. And then that's your 939. We do have 2 bags of 939. Some deep greens, a nice rust colour. There's your 823. So you do get a bigger bag of that, but still only 1 bag. And then you've got some gorgeous burgundies and things as well, which will help make those colours pop once they're put against the 939 anyway. Will definitely make those pop. Really nice selection of colours in that one. If you like your darker paintings or your dragons, then this one is for you. And in contrast to the dark, we have brights. So this is a 30 by 30. And this is definitely a lot brighter. This is hearts and flowers. The actual diamond painting area for this one is 25 by 25, so you don't quite lose as much for the border. I love the shading in that heart. That's gorgeous. Yeah, we have 21 different colours. We do have DMC numbers and we do get a toolkit. This one again is in round. And, oh, we have a lone packet. A lone packet of purple, gorgeous purple at that. And then this one is a lots of different purples, a little bit of grey, many different shades of pink, bluey purple, more pinks, more blues, some lime green, hot pink, a few darker colours. What's that one? Number 12. That is 939. We do have some 939 in there. Gorgeous beige, say a few more pinks and blues and turquoise and some lime green. A couple of different shades of green there. We have 906 and 3819 as your limey green colours, just to pop in some of those flowers, and behind the hearts there's some leaves poking out to give you that bright, vibrant colour. So yeah, definitely a contrast, but I think that's fun. Really fun to do. That'd look nice on mount board when popped up on the wall. And then last, but by no means least, we have a 30 by 40. This one is a gorgeous bird. in the Moonlight. This is again is a round. It is 22 different colours and it does come with DMC numbers. The actual size for this one is 25 by 35. So you just lose what is more standard, 5 centimetres, 2.5 centimetres each side for the border. Symbols are nice and clear. Gorgeous bird. Your background has got a few different blues in it, so you're not doing all of one blue, though there is a little bit more of a chunk of one blue down here. There is a little scattering of different shades of blue, and then you get a few more shades as you go up, and then you go back to go into the darker shade. So yeah, quite a nice variety of different colours there. Again, you do get a toolkit, but this one is actually in bags, which I like. So there's your sort of different shades of blue, but then you've got some gorgeous pops of orange, yellow, there's some dark purple, grey, burgundy, nice hot pink up here, which I'm guessing is sort of down here on the bird. There's some hot pink there, some hot pink up there. May even be some of that scattered in the flowers. You've got some really nice coral colours and some gorgeous purples, as well as a little bit of brown and sort of more of a burgundy red. So they are the 3 selections that I chose this time. We've definitely got a bit of difference between these two. But yeah, there's just so many absolutely gorgeous images out there. So if any of these take your fancy, I do have the links to each individual painting down below. Or you can click on any of those links and go and have a browse and see what you might be able to find that sparks your interest. But thank you so much to DPClubs for sending me these so that I can share them with you all. Thank you to every single one of you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.